Good morning. Happy Friday. Ken wants to go walk the property first thing this morning, and I reminded my perfect man, that we had to do the kitchen. And he seems to be wanting to kind of defer it to later in the day. But yeah, we're going to go walk the property, and then I guess we'll be back. Because when you play all week, you got to pay. We're going to walk the property today. Looks like the orchard has done well. Ken put those metal cages around the trees so the deer didn't eat them. You can see the river behind the house is really flowing with all that snow melt. And this is the pond, our pond so far. This is about half of the size it's going to be when it's completed. They had to stop construction because of weather conditions last year, and as soon as they possibly can, they're going to get back out here and finish up. I'm not sure if this is a natural spring or just runoff. It's hard to tell. It's running pretty good on this side and over here too. See that up there? This is one project I just can't wait to see to fruition. It's going to be beautiful. We stopped at the garage. Ken says he has a heater that we can get warmed up to because we've been walking the property today. My hands got a little bit chilly, so I think this is it.
Push this button.
Uh-huh. So you plug it in and then push the button.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yep.
How long does
go through his little calculation?
Holy moly! What is that, dude? Stand back. That is That's crazy.
Can you feel it?
It's like, yeah, I can feel it. How many BTUs is this?
250,000.
250,000 BTUs. Oh my gosh, I've never seen anything like this. Holy moly. That's incredible.
Kerosene.
When did you buy that?
A couple weeks ago.
Couple weeks ago. Where'd you get it at?
Tractor Supply.
Tractor Supply. And
it'll heat 6,000 square feet.
It's a kerosene heater, and it heats 6,000 square feet. And it is warm and toasty, let me tell you. My hands were cold because we've been out walking the property. So he said, well, come in the garage and I'll turn the heater on and you can get warm.
What heater?
I know. Amazing. So to turn it off, you just push on the button and hold it?
Yep. There you go.
Do I let go?
Yep.
And it goes through a cooling cycle. That is amazing. I have never seen anything like this. Well, I'm toasty now. While we're out here, Ken's going to load the boiler with wood. Ken wanted to come get a drink before we started the kitchen. He needed the caffeine or something. You know, one thing I didn't notice, they put the snowflakes on the lamp posts. They had the balls, you know, the Christmas decorations out. Should we stop by and get a brochure, see what's happening? Cooperstown Winter Carnival Welcome Center. Now last year we had a lot of snow. In fact, it snowed the whole weekend and it was a lot of fun. The kids and Ken and I went on a ghost tour and let's see, what else did we do? We had dinner at the Oda Saga. They had a movie night set up in the gym. All the businesses do a bunch of different things. They had ice sculpturing, and it's just like a whole weekend of stuff. And Ken had gotten a room at the Cooper's Inn, and we all stayed one night there. It was a lot of fun. So this is like the activities. They have all weekend long. It's just jam-packed the whole weekend long. Remember last year we got Brooks Barbecue? We took it back to the hotel.
He said to stop back by though tomorrow because a lot of stuff's been canceled because there's no ice.
Aww.
So like the ice skating and the ice sculpturing and all that stuff's canceled.
Well, that's a bummer. Must have coffee. This kitchen is a mess. Oh my goodness. Well, I guess we better get started.
Hey, you gonna put some music on?
Yes. I definitely need music.
I need clean and motivated music.
We definitely need some motivation today. Here we go.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the bar. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Try to be cool, even wear that shirt you wanted to. My friends think I'm lame. Since I met you, I am not the same. It was not meant to be a fairy tale with a happy end. Girl, you take care now. I hope we can be friends. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. How'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Thanks for helping me with the kitchen.
Thanks for helping me get my car.
Oh, you're welcome. You know what? You are my perfect man. Just want to say that. Thank you. All right, guys. Well, we're going to watch a movie, put our feet up, relax. We got our chores done. And I think we have one load in the wash and one in the dryer. We'll get that before we go to bed tonight, but we're going to watch a movie. All right. I hope you guys have a good weekend. And until the next video, we'll talk to you guys later.
Nothing like them. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them. Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time. I'm not broken, not broken, not broken. How could they say I was broken? How could they say you made me come undone? Now I know that it's okay. Unlike my friends, you are nothing like them.
Thank you for being my perfect man. I love you.